Camag is a Swiss SME based in Muttens, and our core business is instrumental thin layer chromatography. We are the global leader in this field, and you will find our products in every laboratory around the world that works with this analysis technique. High-performance thin layer chromatography, or HPTLC, is used to separate substance mixtures. For example, you can take a plant extract, separate it into the individual components, and then determine the quantity of one component, for example, the active ingredient. It can also determine whether it is a fake, or whether foreign substances have been mixed in. But we are not limited to plant analysis. Other applications include pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, environmental analysis, food analysis, to name just a few. Camag has already developed devices that perform the various steps automatically in an HPTLC process of this kind. But these devices are separate elements in the lab. This means that manual interaction from the user is still required for a complete analysis process. With the HPTLC Pro system, Camag has now developed modules that perform the various steps automatically. This means that from the application of the substances to development, i.e. separation, and derivatization, a user can carry out multiple analyses fully automatically, overnight or over the weekend. Derivatization involves a surface reaction. That means we have our samples on a plate. The plate has already been developed, i.e. the substances have been separated, and in this module we spray the plate with a reagent. These derivatization reagents are often very aggressive. We work with hydrochloric acid and sometimes with reagents that contain sulfuric acid too. So it's important that the entire fluidic path is cleaned very quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, we work both with low viscosity solvents, such as methanol, and with reagents containing sulfuric acid, which are very thick and viscous. The two main challenges when developing this module were the handling, in terms of resistance against aggressive chemicals, but also precise dosing over a broad range of viscosity. This is where the products from Burkert came in. On the one hand with the valves, and on the other, probably the most important component in the module, the micro-dosing unit. This micro-dosing unit enables very precise and accurate dosing over a broad range of viscosity. Furthermore, we can operate the pump bidirectionally, which means we can clean the fluidic path very quickly and efficiently. We can also let the pump run dry without any problems. It is self-priming, which makes the whole cleaning process easier. And just generally, after working with Burkert on various projects over the years, we are familiar with the products and really rate them highly, especially the variety of products, the range of valves, which can also be scaled easily, in terms of flow rate, in terms of size. And we appreciate the fact that everything is from a single source. The personal interactions with the whole development team are another thing that we really value, which is why we will continue to use components from Burkert for future product development.